Have a good day, all of you. Let's move to our lesson. Let us train for relay races. Out of athletic events, the relay race can be called a team event. Baton change is very important factor in relay races. Baton change techniques. There are two techniques of baton change according to the way the baton is handed over by the runner who is carrying the baton to the next runner. What are the techniques? Upsweep technique and downsweep technique. Upsweep technique. Here, this picture shows upsweep technique. In the upsweep technique of baton change, giver sweeps the baton upwards. Receiver stretches the hand behind so that the palm faces downwards and gets hold of the baton. Downsweep technique. Here, this picture shows downsweep technique. In the downsweep technique, giver sweeps the baton down. Receiver stretches his hand behind, turning the palm of the hand upwards and gets hold of the baton. Baton change can once again be divided into three types based on the side of the body from which the receiver receives the baton. Inside pass, outside pass and mixed pass. Inside pass. In the inside pass method, receiver receives the baton in his or her left hand on the inside of the track. Giver carries the baton in his or her right hand. Outside pass. In the outside pass method, receiver receives the baton in his or her right hand on the outside of the track. Giver carries the baton in his or her left hand. Mixed pass. In relay race, changing the baton both with the inside pass and the outside pass in turns is called the mixed pass. The mixed pass is suitable for 4x400 meter relay race run in a 400 meter track. Relay races of different distances are held. Passing the baton is done in two ways based on the distance of the race. What are they? Visual pass and non-visual pass. Visual pass. If the receiver looks at the baton when receiving the baton in relay race, it is called the visual pass technique. In this method, the receiver positions the hand so that the palm faces upwards. In this method, the receiver positions the hand so that the palm faces upwards. This method is used in relay races of 4 into 400 meters and above. Non-visual pass. If the receiver takes the baton without looking at the baton in a relay race, it is called the non-visual technique. This method is used for short distance relay races, namely 4 into 400 meter races and 4 into 200 meter races. Activities for practicing the baton change. The following activities can be used to practice the upsweep technique, downsweep technique, inside pass, outside pass and the mixed pass. Get into groups of 4 and stand in lines as shown in figure. So that is, there is sufficient gap between 2 students in each line to change the baton. Begin from the student in the back of the line who gives the baton to the third student in it, the third to the second and then the second to the first in front. Practice doing these activities, first standing in the same place, then walking, next running slowly and finally running fast. Rules for baton change. Do you know? The baton should be exchanged directly from hand to hand. It should not be thrown. If the baton slips and falls down while it is being exchanged, the runner who handed over the baton should pick it up and give it to the receiver. The receiver should not pick up the baton. Before or after the baton has been exchanged, lanes should not be obstructed so that the runners are disturbed. Fourth one, the baton should be carried in the hand throughout the race. And the last one, the baton should be exchanged only within the baton exchange zones. Do you know what is baton exchange zone? Baton exchange zone. Look at this picture. Here, this way. Takeover zone. Look at this picture. This way. Takeover zone. 20 meters. And this zone called acceleration zone. About 10 meters. Thank you.